In this video, you'll learn how to fix the installation of Claude Code when it gets stuck. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues that may arise during the installation process. Begin by addressing any hung installation processes that may be obstructing your installation. Press Control, Shift, and S simultaneously to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, look for processes named Claude-Code.exe, Node.exe, if you are using the Node installer, or Python.exe, if you are using the Python-based installer. To terminate these processes, right-click on each one and select End Task. This step ensures that no conflicting processes are hindering the installation. Next, it is essential to clear any previous installation cache, as this can often cause the installation to hang. Open PowerShell with administrative privileges. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-clicking on it and selecting Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the command remove item-recurse-force $n USA Pro exclude cache to remove cached installer files. If necessary, you could also remove the old configuration files using the command remove item-recurse-force $nven US iProfile Claude config. After clearing the cache, the next step is to re-download the installer, navigate to the official Claude Code website, and ensure that you download the 2026 updated version of the Windows x64 installer. It is crucial to avoid using any old DXE files that you may have downloaded previously, as these can often lead to installation hangs. Upon downloading the new installer, right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator. During the installation process, choose the Custom Install option and select a folder on your C drive, avoiding the Program Files directory to prevent any potential permission issues. If the option is available, be sure to tick Add to Path. If the installation freezes at the installing dependency stage, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, as large packages may take additional time to install due to antivirus scans. To gain insight into what might be causing the installation to hang, you can check the installation logs. Open PowerShell again and enter the command getcontent $mview profile. Claude Code logs install.log-tail50 wait. Look for any lines indicating dependency download failed or permission denied. If you encounter network errors, it may be necessary to check your firewall or proxy settings. If the installation process is still stuck, you may need to manually install the required dependencies. In PowerShell, first update the package manager by entering the command wnet upgrade-all. Then install node.js version 2 or higher by executing wingit install openjs node.js -s wingit. Following that, install Python version 3.12 or higher with the command winiget install Python 3.12-winget. After installing these dependencies, restart the Claude Code installer, as this often resolves the issue of getting stuck during the dependencies installation phase. Once the installation is complete, you can verify its success by opening PowerShell and typing Claude Code-version. This command should return the version of Claude Code you have installed, such as Vito02. If the installation still hangs, you can attempt to run Claude Code Doctor for an automated fix.